Well, it's only a second win of the season. Puts us joint top of the league for now. What do you make of the game?
Game of two halves. So first half we were awful. Boys know that. They accept that. They know themselves. For us to come in at 1-0 half time was a travesty, really. But listen, you have to take those breaks when they come, and we took it, and then took the advantage and capitalised on it second half. The boys were much better, more like themselves second half, and still had more chances than the ones we actually took. But 3-0, pleasing, and move on.
Yeah, how do you really explain the first half? It was just Airbus quite up for it, and we just were a little bit off the pace. It was just.
Thankfully, our goalkeeper did well under pressure several times, and our three centre halves dealt with the balls that came in the box from free kicks and long throws. We can't keep giving teams opportunities to do the things that they're really good at, and that's what we allowed them to do first half. And saying that, we had two breakaways. We had a 2v1 and a 3v2, and we didn't even have a shot on goal on both opportunities, which with the players we've got, it shouldn't happen. We've got to make their goalkeeper work at least. But then first half, like I say, we got away with it a bit, got away with it a lot. And then second half, we were far more controlled and played some decent football in patches.
I guess with the way the first half went, then there was always going to be a goal, like it was with Henry's, that was going to be our goal, really, just the way it came about.
Yeah, we have got quality in the side on set pieces. I think the keeper would be disappointed with it. Whether he didn't see it till late, I'm not sure. But Henry on the ball and Reece, are always going to be a threat on set pieces. Veely, young Johan Evans is really good on free kicks as well. So when you do get one yourself, especially in a game that you're up against it, it's always nice to capitalise on it. So we did, and had a bit more confidence going into the second half.
Nice for Henry to get his first goal then. Obviously, it's been a good start to the season for him with 2 assists, but he's got on the score sheet now, so it's been a really confident start of the season for him.
Yeah. As I said last week, I don't really care who scores the goals. Yeah. We are creating chances, and it's not just down to the strikers who are having chances and maybe not taking the ones that we'd expected to take, but midfielders need to join in and defenders need to join in on set pieces and get their goals from them as well. We saw it in the Barry game. That people like Dylan and Lee Jenkins, will really go and attack a ball, which is something you need in any league. So it's important that we've got players like that, and hopefully they'll start scoring the goals and getting chances from set pieces as well.
Yeah, and goal scoring then all good, but also on the other side, clean sheets. It's a second one of the season for us. Obviously just as pleasing, I guess.
Yeah, listen, I love clean sheets. Being a goalkeeper, I used to count all my clean sheets, and that's why I say to the defenders and goalkeepers, you need to take pride in keeping the ball out of your net, and however it happens, you have to do it and stop the ball going in the goal. Do that more often than not, and you've got a chance of winning games. And yes, Airbus had a couple of chances first half from their set pieces, but we managed to defend them well, and then gives us the opportunity the other side of the other end of the pitch to take our chances when they come. And please scoring 3, could have been more, but listen, like I said, we were very fortunate to be 1-0 up at half time, so any win would have been pleasing today.
Yeah, obviously that win then, as I mentioned at the start, puts us joint top for the time being. Obviously extremely early in the season, but I guess it's for me, you'd rather be there than not. It's a nice place to be. Yeah,
listen, it's good to accumulate points as quick as you can. We've got 7 out of 9. We certainly would have taken that. With the first 6 games we've got, 5 of the top 6 from last season, and Airbus, a team that's got promoted, who are used to winning games of football. People who are used to winning football, it's a good habit to have. And in the end, we've won 3-0. So 9 points from 3, 7 points from 3. We'll take that, and we've got 3 tough games coming up now. But Pennock's the first one of those, and we look forward to going there on Tuesday night.
Yeah, as you said, Pennock next up. Then obviously our first midweek of the season. So I guess interesting to see how the boys deal with the quick turnaround. And I guess nice to have a game around the corner just after a win as well.
Yeah, it's always nice playing games when you're winning games of football. Like I said, it's a good habit to have, and when you've got momentum, sometimes that works in your favour. But it's going to be a tough game. They've won again today. They're a good side. Finished top 6 last year again. Reece has done a great job there since he's gone in, and it's going to be a very tough game for us to go there on Tuesday night. And as we always say, we have to go away from home and stay in the game as long as we can and see what happens. And that'll be the aim on Tuesday night: to stay in the game and try and win it. But away from home, you have to protect your goal a bit more.